All right, what's up everybody? This is Mark Days. What we got here is the Zero Lemon 12 Pro Max battery case. I believe this is 5,000 milliamp hours. Well, unbox it, throw it on here, see how it looks, see how it functions, see how it operates. And that's what we're gonna do. So let's get right into it. I bought these before for my 11 Pro Max. Originally heard about Zero Lemon from Flossie Carter's channel, so shout out to him. We'll get into it. Let's see what we're dealing with right here. All right. Nice sturdy packaging. It's done real well for me, especially when I'm flying around in airports, running around where I know I'm gonna be away from a charger port for a long time. This has definitely come in handy for me. I think this was 20 bucks or something. I'm not too sure. It wasn't that expensive, but you know, you could definitely check it out. I will leave a link down in the description where you can purchase this. Has LED indicators. We have full juice right now. All four are full. That's great. So let's turn it off. That's your power button, by the way. Let's see what we gotta do with here. We got you know what to do with this. Get that up out of here. Right out the way. Okay, it's beautiful. It's quite nice. Matter of fact, let me get the one for the 11 Pro Max. I'll be right back. I wanna show y'all what it looks like. I'm gonna compare the two, hang on. All right, so we're back. Here's the one for the 11 Pro Max. This one did real well for me. Oh, still got a bunch of juice on it too. You can wireless charge directly through the case. So you could put this case with your phone in it right on the wireless charger. That'll charge the phone and the case, or you can put the case itself on the wireless charger and it'll charge up the actual case. Has pass-through charging, so when you charge your phone, you're charging the phone and the case also. So this did real good for me. That's the one for the 11 Pro Max. 12 Pro Max looks nice and chunky. Nice material, looks good. So let's see. Just throw it in there like this. Slide it on down. Put that right on top. I add some bulk, as you can see, but I mean, when you need that battery life, ain't no one complaining. Hang on, let me throw my Face ID in there real quick. And there you have it. So let's see. Throw this on. You can listen to that sound. There it is. You can see if I can get some, there we go. See, it's charging up. It's a beautiful thing. Also, last year's model and this year's model. Look at the design difference. I don't know about y'all, but I'm feeling the new design. Look how much taller that thing is too. That's good. But I'm feeling the design. Last year's model looked nice, sleek, felt good in the hands as well. But this year, I'm just loving these little flare outs right here. Feels more grippier. I'm gonna attribute that to it being the flat edge this year, well, I guess last year I should say now because it's 2021. But as opposed to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the 11 Pro Max, very nice design difference. Feels more heavier. I like it a lot. One more thing I forgot to mention real quick. Obviously you got your protection. It does provide some decent protection, but there's definitely not a lot of razivity on that screen, as you can see. I would not go around, if I was y'all, trying to be a slam boy or a slam girl with this, as Flossie says. Do not slam this down. But it does provide drop protection, so if you drop it on the sides, you're good to go. But that camera, if you hit anything, it's a wrap for you. And that screen, if you don't have on a screen protector, first you're crazy because this is a freaking $1,200 phone. At least mine, the 256 gig. I think it's $12.50 if I'm not mistaken. So while it does provide sun protection, don't get too crazy and go slamming it everywhere because you're gonna be mad. All right, peace be unto you. This was just a quick unboxing and showing of the Zero Lemon battery case, 5,000 milliamp hours, I believe. This is for the 12 Pro Max. You can hit the link in the description, which I will leave. I believe it was Amazon where I got mine because they were shipping the fastest. So thank you everybody for watching. Quick vid, appreciate it. Y'all be blessed. Peace be.